I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody.
Oh, Cameron's going up. Hey, does this have DRs?
DRs.
Throwback Thursday or what? Alright, so you think you got it? But is it that loud? Don't. But that was loud.
That's idling high.
I know, it lowers. Look, see? Yes. It kind of got a little better, but it's still kind of sticky. Rev it like a little bit. Wasting my gas. Alright, just roll it back in neutral. What's up, guys? So me and Cameron just finished the clutch cable install. We did a BBK one, which all car people should know what that is, and it's ass, I'll tell you that much. And Cameron's about to look at that fitment though. Bagged or what? But me and Cameron just finished the cable install. The reason why I did it, I was having weird engagement problems and clutch just felt really gross. So we're gonna see if this maybe fixes it. Off the bat though, just pushing the clutch in, it already feels real smooth. So I don't know how that fixes it, but we're just gonna lower down the car and we're gonna hit this beat. So hopefully the Cobra runs good and we'll do some Mexico testing. Alright guys, so we just got the new OEM Ford cable, and let me tell you, if you guys don't do it, which I'm sure you guys will, the clutch is so smooth. Like it's light, like super light, like the BBK one. I'm telling you, that felt stiff, and this one is butter. Like it doesn't even feel like it's cable driven. It's like light. I'm surprised. So definitely recommend getting the Ford OEM cable, and we'll see you guys at the meet. Peace out. Keep moving forward, TJ. My gear shit's fine now.
Yeah.
Smooth. Oh my god, dude. It was the cable the whole time.
Yeah, that's great. He's staring so hard.
Give me gas.
He was staring so hard.
Was he not laughing?
He was laughing hard too. That shift though. I felt you like hit the
You wanna know just where?
Pretty dope meet. Met up with a few accomplices, I guess. Some of them go to camera school, right? Yeah. I don't really know any of them, but my buddy Justin's got a, what was it?
It was a 63 Ford Falcon.
63 Ford Falcon. We snuck the Cobra into the show. It's in those boilers. And that's gonna end today's video. I don't know if I'll get it edited in time, but me, him, and Jamal are going to be hitting the track tomorrow. So I don't know which video is going to come first. So you might see the second, you might see the track video. I'm going to take camera on. Get some downshifts. Turn right at the light, right?
Yeah.
You handle the turn? I feel like I can.
I can take this turn at like 65.